my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this makeup look. It's basically just a cute little bronzy makeup look. This is definitely one of my go-to makeup that I like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also recorded a video on how I curl my hair, so that'll be up already or will be coming up really soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Okay, so I've already primed my lips with the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. This is one of my faves. Now I'm gonna prep the whole entire face with the Embryolisse Cream Concentrate. I love how moisturizing and hydrating and plumping this cream is. So good. And you want to let it kind of soak into the skin for about a minute or two before we start putting on the rest of our stuff. For today's foundation, we will be using the Patrick Ta Major Skin Foundation. And I'm just going to go ahead and pump this straight on my face. Then I'm going to be using the BK Beauty 101 brush. This is a foundation brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Then I'm gonna go in with a beauty sponge and just kind of blend everything out. Take my Hourglass Vanish Concealer in Sepia. I'm gonna go right here, and down the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna apply some contour, and this is the Rare Beauty Always Sunny Bronzer Stick. Just gonna apply it right here. Like so. Then I'm gonna be blending it out with my Real Technique 200 brush. This is my favorite affordable cream contour blending brush. So good. Then I'm gonna blend out my concealer. I love a good bright under eyes. I feel like my eyes just look more awake and more lifted. Just love this. And then I'm just gonna run this a little bit below the contour to sharpen it up. Out the bridge of my nose as well. Just gonna run my contour brush to the sides of my nose. I'm gonna be skipping blush today because I want more of like a bronzy look. So I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Pound Cake powder, triangle puff, go right under the eye. To set the rest of the face, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C40. And I'm just gonna do a light layer of that. Then I'm gonna bronze the face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Dark Deep. Okay. And I do want more of like a bronzy look today, so I'm just gonna be putting this up on my cheekbones as well to replace my blush, I mean. For my nose contour, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, oldie but a goodie. Gonna go ahead and contour the sides of my nose. Then I'm gonna be highlighting my face with the Rare Beauty Accelerate highlight. First, the nose, down the bridge, Then a little bit on the cheekbones. And also a little bit on the forehead. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So I'm gonna give it like a minute for everything to just absorb into the skin. I just did my eyebrows off camera, and I did use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown with the angled brush as well. I know it looks a little janky, but yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. We're gonna be using the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. This is what it looks like. First, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. This is a nice mustardy brown color, and I'm just gonna use that as my transition color here. So I just zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you can see details. Then I'm gonna take this brown color right next to it. It's just a little bit darker than the previous one, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna blend it up to the crease a little bit, keeping this mostly on the outer half. And I'm gonna be taking a slightly darker color right here. I'm really focusing that just on the outer corner. Okay, just on the outer corner right here. Go ahead and leave it like this if you want, but I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow. This is in the shade Space Cowboy, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it all over the lid, and this is just gonna give you a little hint of sparkles. Nothing crazy, but if you were to shine the light or like flash on them, you see, they will sparkle. So they're like little diamond dust. Super duper cute, super subtle, perfect to just elevate a really simple look. And I'm gonna take this brown color again, and I'm just gonna run that right under my eye. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, but any eyeliner will work. I'm gonna wing it out. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but any mascara will do. Oh my gosh, I need to put lash glue real quick on my fake lashes. What am I doing? BRB. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using my favorite TikTok lashes. Love these. I'll leave the link down below. These are from the TikTok shop. They're so bomb. They come in a pack of 3 with 4 pairs on each little tray. All right guys, so the lashes are on. I'm obsessed with these lashes. Okay, so let's finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use a white shimmery eyeshadow and a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner. Ugh, I just love this step. I feel like I look even more awake when I do this. Chef's kiss. This is the Glam Light Donut Glaze Lip Kit. It looks something like this, but I threw away the packaging already. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, but I'm gonna be recording actually a TikTok video for this. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be applying the lip liner. It's like a nice brown lip liner. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna be putting the Morphe Commit lipstick. It's like a nice nude color. Then I'm gonna top it off with the beautiful, beautiful nude gloss right here. You guys see that? I'll show you guys what it looks like once I have everything on, but let me go ahead and record a TikTok video real quick. All right, guys, so this is the completed look with the lips on. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair really quick and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to be recording a hair tutorial as well because I have been receiving a lot of requests from you guys to record how I curl my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. So give me a second, literally, and I'll be right back with my hair done. All right, guys, so this is the completed look for the makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below what videos you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.